On this episode of Brooks Cooks, we're making Phyllis's rhubarb crunch. Start by chopping your rhubarb with your wooden knife, or just ask mom for help if that's not working very well. All right, so let's taste it a little bit. Rhubarb is pretty tart when it's raw. Yeah. Okay, so then we'll move on to our crumb mixture, and we will take some flour and put it in our bowl. Careful, careful. Okay, there we go. Then we'll take our oats, so we'll add some of those too. And okay, that's enough. Brown sugar next, then we'll add our cinnamon and mix it up a bit. All right, next melted butter, yum. Then we'll put some on the bottom of our pan, add our rhubarb mixture, and then after that, we're going to put some on top and smooth it all out. Time to bake. Yay, this is going to be so good. Waiting is the hardest part. Okay, hot and fresh out of the oven. Yum. The recipe says it's good with some ice cream, so let's use our ice cream scoop, which is really hard to squeeze. Let's try a bite with all of it together. Now, you may be surprised to learn that it's actually ideal to just slurp the mixture off of the plate. It provides a different experience for tasting your food, and Brooks shows you how to do it perfectly. So give it a try next time. Skip the utensils. You don't even need them. Enjoy!